Do you have a large space to do laundry but aren't sure how to organize it? We had a blank slate to create an organized, efficient laundry room. Stay tuned to watch a laundry room transform before your very eyes. Here was a laundry room with no organizing solutions, but so much potential. There were 2 empty walls and a really tall ceiling. But all the laundry and cleaning items were collected on the floor, and whatever horizontal surface could be eked out from the architectural features in the room. We decided the best use of space for this room was to put shelving in that corner to maximize the vertical storage space. Now we could use the shelving for laundry items as well as for cleaning products from a nearby linen closet and utility items like light bulbs and hardware that we had relocated from the kitchen. With measuring and planning, our vision was coming to life. While the shelves were being installed, we pulled everything out, and not just from this room, but from that nearby linen closet whose floor was filled to the gills with cleaning products. In fact, there were 2 to 3 bottles of everything because no one in this household knew what they had, items were stored in 2 separate locations, and over-purchasing was a major issue. Once the shelves were installed, we got to organizing. We used the basic principles of organizing: give everything a home, maximize vertical space, and consider frequency of use. We assigned the most access items to the 2 lower shelves and created sections for cleaning and laundry. For the cleaning, we even broke this down into smaller categories for cleaning surfaces, glass, brushes, sponges, gloves, carpet, wood, and bathrooms. We then created a section for laundry over the washing machine for detergent, stain remover, bleach, and other specialty cleaning products. Upper shelves contained lesser access household utility items like electric cords, tape, hardware, glue, tools, light bulbs, and toolkits. And on the wall behind us, we installed a broom and mop holder so we could get those items off the floor and use that ledge instead for pails and the dustbuster. The final result is a laundry room with storage space fully maximized and ready to perform multiple duties in this household. There will be no more overbuying as it is now clear what they have in each category. And with items that are used daily, they are easy to access and put away. The result? An efficient, organized laundry room with a happy home for everything and a home with even happier occupants. I hope this video has inspired you and given you some ideas about how you can organize your own laundry room. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, I would love it if you'd give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary wishing you, from my home to yours, a very happy, organized day.